Hello, all. Let us see how to solve this particular statement. So basically the requirement is that we have to mention the number of comparators required, the minimum number of comparators required for a 8-bit flash ADC. So before going into giving a direct solution, let us see a simple background of ADCs. So ADC is nothing but it is used to convert an analog to a digital voltage. So there are three types of ADCs. One is counter based ADC, where there will be a counter, and for every iteration that is going on, the counter starts from initial value and then to the maximum value. So this is very time intensive ADC. And then there is another ADC called the successive approximation register ADC, where this will have individual bits that will be enabled in a digital bit stream and then compared against the analog input to see whether the bit need to be reset or set. So there will be number of loops running, and then another ADC is a flash type ADC. Okay, so one of the major disadvantages with either comparator or SAR is it is little time intensive. Counter takes too much time. SAR is okay with respect to the time, conversion time, but flash is one of the fastest ADCs in the market. So now to look at the configuration how a flash ADC would be, there will be a comparator example. Let us take only two comparators, and then let us assume there is a sequence, and then there is an encoder, out of which will be a digital bit stream. So that is the analog converter. Now you will have a VREF for this, and there will be number of resistors, and there will be comparators, you can see here. So this is nothing but a VREF voltage that will be applied to this ADC. So this will be given to the positive terminal, and then this will be positive terminal. So it goes on to several comparators, and the analog voltage which need to be converted shall be given to all these comparators. So now what happens when both are given, all the conversions happen at the same time and there will be a digital output. Now the question is, if there is a n bit flash ADC, that means there are n bits that are generated at the output, what will be the minimum comparators required? So theoretically 2 power n minus 1 comparators would be required. Now because we are given a problem of 8-bit flash ADC, that means 2 power 8 minus 1, which gives 255. So that means minimum of 255 comparators are required. But one can see here with the advantage and disadvantage of flash ADC. Flash ADC, conversion wise, it's the fastest because everything happens in parallel and then the encoding happens. Now only problem is that it is circuit intensive. You can see here there will be number of comparators required. So if you just say you are adding a 1 bit, let us assume you want to have n plus 1 bits. So that means this goes to 2 power n minus 1, which means almost it doubles the comparators required for every single bit increase at the output. Thank you.